Jack, I think we're lost.
Really? Which street is this?
I don't know. I can't find it on the map.
Did you save the hotel address?
Yes, but my phone has no signal.
Great. Mine has only 5% battery.
Oh no. What do we do now?
Let's look for a street sign.
I see one. It says Main Street, but our hotel is on King Street.
Then we're far away.
Should we take a taxi?
Yes, but where do we find one?
Maybe near that square.
Good idea. Let's walk there.
Look, that man is selling maps.
Perfect. Let's buy one.
Here's some cash. Excuse me, can we buy a map?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Now we can find the hotel.
Let's sit down and check the map.
Okay. The hotel is only 2 blocks away.
Really? That's so close.
Yes, just around the corner.
Phew. Finally.
Problem solved. And we didn't even need GPS.
Ha ha! Old school navigation still works.